What to do if your coffee maker leaks water. I've been using this coffee maker for a few years, and recently, while making coffee, it's been leaking water, and the coffee comes out slowly, drop by drop. Obviously, after descaling, the problem persists. So, let's disassemble the machine. I washed it piece by piece. Look at the state of the inside. I scrubbed with a brush, then used a sponge and a cloth to dry everything. After reassembling it, let's give the machine a thorough internal wash. Now all that's left is to make a cup of coffee and see if the problem has been solved.